Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome to another bi-weekly updates video, and this one is actually coming after a 3-week break because I didn't do one last week. I was out of town on that Monday, and also I've just been kind of really busy lately with the holidays and everything. Hope everyone had a great holiday. Hope y'all had a great new year. I was just kind of with my family. Actually, I was able to go out on a date night with my wife. Actually, my kids stayed with my wife's parents that night, so we were actually able to go out and enjoy kind of being out on New Year's Eve, which is a rare chance for us, so it was good. It was a good New Year's. And so it also kind of leads me into the first point that I wanted to make in this updates video, and that's just maybe about just kind of the content being a bit weird, or maybe a lack of content, or kind of a bit up in the air, kind of out of order, strange content over the past couple weeks, mostly just due to the holidays, just being really busy. Also, as you guys know, I've got the new stuff from HobbyZone, which I'm installing over there. It's pretty much all done, so I'm pretty much ready to start using that space and show you guys the new workbench setup over there with all the HobbyZone stuff. I've also been kind of using the opportunity to just do some spring cleaning kind of in here. It's not spring yet, but New Year's cleaning up the space. I've got my new compressor on the way, so that'll be here probably in about 2 weeks time, maybe hopefully at this earliest. So it's been kind of working on just updating the space a little bit, and also just my time available to work in here has been much more limited just because of the holidays, being busy with family, and especially my kids have been on vacation from their school, kind of daycare school here that they go to here in Korea. So especially my son is still on vacation this week, so I'm still like unable to do any work during the day during my kind of normal working hours. So I've just not really, at the moment, don't have a lot of time to really do very much, but I'm still trying to do as much as I can. Like I said, the hobby space is pretty much all done there now, so I'm ready to start working on some different works in progress, things that I've been putting off, and also some reviews I need to get done as well, things like that I can now hopefully try to start catching up, that I've been behind the past week or two on working on some of that stuff. Alright, and before I move on to the other points that I wanted to talk about in this update video, just want to remind you guys that if you're looking for this week's episode of Zaku News, that's over there on the USA Gundam TV channel, so or down there in the link below in the video description, I'll put the link to the USA Gundam TV channel where you guys can go and watch the new news video over there. If you guys haven't been watching for the past couple months or so, then I've recently started doing the Gunpla News Now videos, or Zaku News Now over there on the USA Gundam TV channel, so go check that out. And so as for like reviews and things, so the couple unboxings that I've got out now, the reviews, the HG Eldora Brute, the Mudrock, and the Seltsam, yeah, those will just kind of be normal reviews. But after that, I'm considering kind of changing my review style a little bit, because I think I'm doing pretty well. It's only taken me, a few years, but to kind of finally get my reviews a little bit more concise, a little bit shorter in length, and they're mostly now, for the most part, ending up around 15 minutes or less. And then my unboxing videos usually end up around 8 to 10 minutes, somewhere around there, possibly a little bit more if it's a bigger kit or something. But so I've been kind of considering just combining them into one, not breaking up the videos, just having the unboxing and maybe kind of going through the unboxing a little bit quicker. And I also think combining the unboxing and review videos all into one video can also just kind of make the total length of both halves a little bit shorter as well, because I don't need to like repeat things. There are certain things that I will maybe mention in the unboxing video that then I'll also mention again in the review, but if I'm doing it all in one video, I don't need to repeat the same points again. So I think combining them, I mean, I'm thinking maybe not for like some of the larger kits or something, maybe we'll still keep them separate, because if it's a thing that's going to need like 15 minutes worth of unboxing, then I might not want to tack then another 20 minutes of review onto that if it's a bigger kit. But for like a simple HG or something, I think I can do it, and the total length will probably be like 25 minutes. It's not that long, I think, if it's a unboxing and review video put together. So it's just something that I'm working with the idea of trying to focus on making my content better in quality rather than quantity, because as you guys know, I upload usually every day, if not twice a day, as much as I can. I'll have like a day every now and then when I don't upload a video, but I'm usually uploading every day. So I think that's not really necessary, and I could upload like I still want to upload every day, honestly, if I can, and I probably will be able to, but I think as far as like for the reviews, I would have more time to upload more work in progress stuff between them, between the reviews if I'm having just the review and unboxing just be all one video. Like say for example, I want to stay on the schedule of posting one video per day, then I have to like post the unboxing one day and then like the quick look video and the review video the next day. So one kit will take up 2 days worth of videos. But if I do it all as one video, then I can have one day where it's just a work in progress video or something else like that. And then one day where it's the unboxing review video altogether. So if that makes sense, then that's kind of my thinking as to how I can free up more of my upload schedule for other things aside from reviews by combining the unboxings. And I know a lot of people have mixed opinions about this. Some people like unboxings, some people don't. Some people don't see the point of unboxings, and some people do. For me, I could go either way. You know, I can understand people's opinions not wanting to see unboxing videos at all. They don't care about that. I understand that it's not really particularly all that interesting if all you care about is just what the kit is going to look like when it's all done. You don't really need to see the runners and things. But on the other hand, I do always find something interesting in unboxings. I like looking through the runners and kind of seeing the runner markings, how things are laid out, and how you can kind of see where Bandai is maybe doing their engineering as far as laying the runners out for future releases, variants, and things like that. So there's always, I think, something interesting to find in unboxing videos. So let me know what you guys think about that. I'm gonna try it out for a few kits here in the near future, and then we'll see how it goes, see what you guys think about it, see how it is for me. If it's really working, I think more better to my advantage, as I think that it might be, but we'll find out. I'll try it, and so yeah, that'll be something I'll be working on. The next thing I want to talk to you guys about is also Wonderfest. So I've been considering going to Winter Wonderfest. If you guys are unfamiliar, Wonderfest is a convention there in Tokyo that they do twice a year. They have a winter and a summer Wonderfest. It's mostly focused on figures, resin figures, PVC figures, all that kind of stuff. And then like kind of the main draw of it too is just the garage kits for garage kits. There's some mecha stuff there, of course. I think the vast majority of it though is like character figures, resin character figures, garage kits. But I've always wanted to go because I always thought it would be pretty interesting. So the Winter Wonderfest is this February, coming up very soon. It's like a month from now. And then the Summer Wonderfest, I think, is in August, or July or August. And so I'm wondering, do you guys want to see coverage of Wonderfest or not? I don't know if there's really that much demand of you guys. Now, I know for one, there's not a lot of English coverage of Wonderfest online in general. So I think it probably would be interesting for those people who want to see that stuff, but I just don't know how many of you guys really want to see coverage of Wonderfest, how many of you really know about it or what it is or anything. So if you guys do want to see more coverage of Wonderfest, then let me know in the comments, and that'll help me decide if I really want to go and cover it or not. Of course, I always love the chance to go to Japan and cover events for you guys. I enjoy that, but I do have other responsibilities, namely, especially my family too. So if there's not really that much demand, you know, leaving my wife at home to take care of the kids for 3-4 days, something like that, is not something that she really enjoys to do without me. So it's just something that I'm considering whether I really want to go or not. If there's enough demand, if you guys really want to see that, then I'm happy to go and cover the event for you, and hopefully that'll be possible. With the support of USA Gundam Store, of course. So let me know what you guys think about that. There's a lot I think that I could also maybe get into if Lincoln is going there, and I think he said he was going to go too. So if I could go there, and when Lincoln's going to be there as well, I think that could also be pretty cool. So I'll have to talk with him. But that's it. And then there's one more thing here. I've pretty much settled for the moment on my idea for my GBWC entry for this year. So like I mentioned before, I'm planning on entering GBWC here in Korea again this year, taking another stab at that. And I've been thinking about the idea, and I've pretty much settled, I think, on my idea. So the idea that I'm going to be going with is, it's going to be called, at least my idea for the moment, it's going to be called Enemy Sighted version 0089. So 0089 obviously is when I'm envisioning this scenario to be taking place. So it's going to involve a couple different mobile suits in a sort of action scene diorama, obviously set in UC timeline, so it's going to be UC based suits in 0089. So I'll talk more about that in the near future. There's other projects that I need to finish up, other things first, and a couple of commissions that I need to finish up first. So I'll probably be like working on it in between other things, because there's other things that I need to work on and do just kind of as the year goes by leading up to GBWC. So I have a good amount of time now but it's not really, it's, you know, as much time as you have, it's never enough for a big project, and I do want to really put a ton of work into this project and really give it my best to try my best to win Korea. Now, I've got no delusions of winning anything in Japan, if I even get there. Winning Korea, though, I can give it a try, you know, so I'm gonna give it my best shot. It's going to take a lot of work, and so it's going to be kind of in between other things here and there. That's just something that I'll just be kind of chipping away at up until I think GBWC is in August. So at the moment I've got a good amount of time, but yeah, it's something that will take a lot of work. As I'm doing, it's going to be 3 kits, 4 kits, 3 kits, and a base jabber also is going to be included as well. And then the actual diorama, the actual scene parts of it that I also need to build as well. So anyway, yeah, I'll talk with you guys more about that probably in the near future once I get a couple other projects like the Barbatos Master Grade that I'm in the middle of painting, the Gyaradoga I'm in the middle of painting, and the G40, which I'm gonna just do a quick paint job on that one as well once I get my compressor back. So yeah, I just need to kind of work on some more of just the planning phases of that for now, but I've got the idea pretty much envisioned here. I just need to work on the physicality of it. So I'll let you guys know more about that in the near future. In the meantime, yeah, let me know your guys' thoughts about the reviews. What do you think about the idea of going to Wonderfest? Maybe not going this February, maybe waiting, just going to the summer Wonderfest later on is a possibility. So let me know what you think, and just thank you so much for your feedback, guys, and go check out the Zaku news video over on the USA Gundam TV channel. Have a great day, guys. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.